Oh my God, honey! We gotta go! There's an AI robot apocalypse happening.
What? Damn, I just became friends with the fridge on Facebook.
Did you see that? That robot just killed that guy!
It's starting. The breakdancing yoga master killer ninja robot apocalypse is happening.
What's that? Oh no! Master Yogi Killer Robots?
Man, he's creepier than my yoga teacher, Michael.
What freaking kind of asana is that?
I don't know, but we gotta go quick.
Wait, honey, maybe we're overreacting. There's a cute doggy on our porch doing tricks.
What? Oh, you're right. He's kind of cute. Oh!
I don't know, maybe it's a trap.
I think he's friendly. Wait, is that the same dog?
Holy crap! Run! He's lighting the whole house on fire.
Bad dog! Bad dog! What the hell? They're all over the place.
Should I grab the toaster?
Are you kidding me? The toaster is working for them.
What? Oh no, run! It's the OnlyFans robot.
What? Not the OnlyFans robot.
Damn, that's nasty.
That's disgusting.
Run! Run!